What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm just going to be unboxing some of the gifts that happened to fall into my hands over Father's Day weekends, and that leads me to saying happy Father's Day to all those fathers. I am one myself to a lovely 2-year-old daughter, and lots of fun. Can be frustrating at times, but as long as you stick with it, good times are bound to prevail. So without further ado, let's get right to it. I just think that these are all gifts you can get for Father's Day, stuff that's useful for pretty much anyone. You'll find it in this group of gifts here. So let's start with the first one. Now this one's interesting. I was actually doing a return to Amazon, and as you may know, they do theirs through Kohl's sometimes. So when I was at Kohl's, I happened to find these super sweet shoes, and I couldn't help but have to have them. I don't maybe buy shoes but once every 2-3 years, and these were actually twice the price of what I normally pay. These were $109. I normally only pay about 50-60 bucks for my shoes, so having a good nice new pair of shoes that I can wear inside of client homes when I'm measuring them, why not? I'm gonna have them for at least 3 years, maybe more. Most of my shoes last about 5-6 years. My foot doesn't grow anymore. I clean them, take care of them. Next up, let's see what's on the chopping block. What could it be? A package within a package. Okay, these are some super cool LED lights. And these are gonna be for my 2022 Hyundai Elantra. And I'm searching for the brightest third brake light, and I've been through quite a few. And this is just another one to try here. These ones actually have a CAN bus, so they should not set off my dash warning light, and should be super bright. I have another pair coming in just a couple of days, so I'll be able to finish up testing on that. Be sure to stay tuned, ring that bell if you want to check out more videos on my 2022 Hyundai Elantra N. On to the next one. Oh, I forgot I ordered this. Okay, so we got a 4-piece nose hair trimmer kit. The tweezers, the mustache scissors, and I don't even know what this one's for here. Popping pimples? No. Oh no, I like these because they're black. Super cool looking. This is like black stainless. Pretty sweet. Everybody's gonna trim their nose hairs, pluck some eyebrows, trim your mustache, beard, what have you. There you go. Another nice Father's Day gift idea. On to the next one. Ooh, this one's got some weight. Oh yeah. You gun guys are gonna like this one. To all you gun channel subscribers that I have, this is a magnet that I'll be testing to mount a gun in my car. So that way when I'm traveling, I can put it in a safe place up under the dash, mount the gun to it, and we'll see how these work. These were 2 for 20 bucks. Sweet deal under the gun magnet category. More than just your car, you can mount this under your desk, in your gun safe. It's got all kinds of mounting options. You can mount it in the sheetrock if you want. All right, be sure to stay tuned if you want to see how these magnets work. All right, let's see what this box is. What is this? Oh yeah, I just ordered this yesterday. This is garage door edge sealing, seal, rubber seal piece. If your garage door's here, this side would go on the right, and basically just gives it that nice 90-degree seal there. My garage currently has a bunch of open edges where dust comes in, bugs come in, light comes in, so hopefully this will help keep the dust down. I am trying to convert my garage this year to be more car friendly. In other words, get the lawnmower out, get the weed eater out, all the yard stuff. And so that way I can have a nice power washer setup, nice vacuum setup, and just easier to take care of the cars. Last but not least, as far as actual packages go to unbox for you guys, I already have one of these installed, but this one is supposed to be the correct paint code. So we will see. And for those of you who don't know, this is a emblem removal kit from my car to remove the big H emblem. And I noticed that previously they were selling them for a different paint code that was close but not exact. And this one seems to be the right paint code. I really won't know until I get it out in the sun and compare, but I'm excited to have the right matching one. Be sure to hit the bell, ring that notification bell, subscribe so you get notified on more videos again on my 2022 Hyundai Elantra N. You can watch me as I flew to go get it. I flew to go help another friend get his. And it's just been an awesome, sweet car. There are some other things coming too. I have a shed, which I ordered. That is not gonna make it till later in this week. But the shed will help me get the lawnmower, the generator, the weed eater, the blower, all that stuff out of the garage to make better room for power washer, vacuum, overall keep the garage more clean. The final thing that I have coming is a 50-foot Uberflex red power washer hose. I cannot wait to try this thing. The main limitation to my power washing at the moment is the length of the hose. I constantly have to move around the power washer unit and drag around the hose with it, and it just gets to be a mess. With this new 50-foot hose, I'll be able to mount my power washer to the garage wall and just leave it there. No moving around, no lugging it around, no water spraying everywhere, nice and easy. So make sure you guys stay tuned to see that installed. I'll do a full review on that for you guys. And that's all I got for you guys today. Again, happy Father's Day. If you are a father, if you are gonna be a future father, you should definitely look forward to it. It's a lot of fun. Again, frustrating at times, but well worth the appreciation towards the end of it. And the feelings that you get are just overwhelming. It's a lot of fun. And I look forward to being a dad to number 2 here soon as well. So guys, hang in there and catch you on the next one.